feel like only at Kaplan or I'd come to a museum and you just pull a bike out in front of you and start it up. This is amazing.
But the famous saying that has been created at Kaplan Cycles is that it's just another day at Kaplan Cycles when it comes to stuff like this.
I love it.
But it's only here.
I've never started this bike.
No? Oh, jeez.
Brand new. Brand fucking new.
There you go. First start, CR500 at Kaplan Cycle. Only a Kaplan Cycle. Love it. I wish we had smell-o-vision because this is absolutely unreal. Oh my goodness. 500, 500, 500, 500, CR500s. Like unbelievable. There's one thing Kaplan Cycle does, I'll say this 1,000 times, it's CR500s. Billet builds, original restorations, resto mods, you name it. Even famous bikes like Robbie Knievel, son of Evil Knievel. One of his CR500s. Here's a beauty, Honda ATC 500R. For any three-wheeler freak out there, this is the epitome of cool. Awesome. It's got an electric start. Look at that. Like I said, Kaplan Cycle, they know their two strokes. There's a reason why I'm here, drooling all over everything. Sorry, Ken. Hope you got a good janitor to wipe that all up. Oh, absolutely awesome. So as we pause here and just soak it all in.